3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Turn on the machine and make it stay under the standby mode. Place a container under the brewing head and steam tube. Add the solution to the water tank. Hold and press the ground, single cup and double cup buttons for 5 seconds to start the descaling process. Turn the knob to steam position. The steam indicator flashes. The hot water will go through from the brewing head and steam tube. When hot water dispensing is stopped, turn the knob top position. The steam and hot water indicators will illuminate solidly. Clean the water tanks and empty the containers. Then fill the water tank. Turn the knob to hot water position. The hot water indicator will flash. The hot water will go through from the brewing head and steam tube. When hot water dispensing is stopped, descaling completed, the power indicator stops flashing. Turn the knob to the off. The descaling cycles will be cleared, and the machine will return to standby state.